Good night, class. My name is Andres Garzon. I am 29 years old. I live in Madrid, Cundinamarca. I with my family, my wife, 2 girls, Gabriela and Melissa. Ian studied business administration at the UNAD University. I like soccer. I like watching movies. I like to hear music. I like to camping. I not like the noise. I don't like be eating. I don't like color blue. I don't like to hard nature. Our last vacation was to Cartagena. The weather in Cartagena hot. We visit the San Felipe Castle. With Oslo went to the aquarium, and we also visited the Rosario Island. The next vacation we will travel to San Andres Island. San Andres y Providencia is hot weather. We will travel by planet. We will visit the aquarium. We really like the shed. Class, happy night.